Doug Phillips, Premier Truck Group, Amarillo, Texas. I am the world's oldest truck salesman. This is a 2017 Cascadia. Our stock number, Charlie Golf Papa 5903. That's CGP5903. Got 491,000 miles on it. Looks clean because it is clean. Looks well maintained because it is well maintained. We bring these trucks in from our major fleets. This one, walk this way, let me show you. DD15, DT12 auto shift. We got it in to our inventory on the 14th of October. We changed the oil, we changed the fuel filters, we changed the oil filters, we checked the antifreeze. It's set at minus 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Put a new air filter in it. We go over them from stem to stern. This truck's got a new set of drive tires on it, Bridgestones. Got a sliding fifth wheel, aluminum wheels all the way around. Got an air gauge so you can kind of judge how well you're loaded. Of course, it's got tilt and telescope. It's got a battery shutoff switch. Got a Bluetooth radio in it. We always put 2 new mattresses in the truck for you. We don't want you sleeping in somebody else's bed. We do the little things. We do stuff like this. New air and electric lines on the back. Chrome, hubcaps, nut covers, all the way around. Little things mean a lot. We pay attention to the detail. We want you to come buy a truck from us. Doug Phillips, Premier Truck Group, Amarillo, Texas. World's oldest truck salesman, 806-654-7640. I'll meet you at 3 o'clock in the morning if I know you're coming. Give me a call. Thank you.